Paano natin male-let go ang ating insecurity? How do we change insecurity, shyness to confidence and empowerment? Lalo na kung napapaligiran ka ng mga taong super insecure din. Perhaps maybe your parents, your friends, your relatives, your housemates. The first step is calmness and solitude. Kailangan mo munang kumalma at mapag-isa para tumahimik ang utak mo. You can't reprogram a noisy mind. You can't rewrite your story if you never sit still long enough to hear yourself think. So start with stillness. Find moments of peace in your day. Kahit 5 to 10 minutes lang, ilayo mo muna yung sarili mo sa ingay, phones, notifications, chismis, relatives, and just be with yourself. Because awareness begins in silence. Doon mo maririnig yung totoong boses mo. Hindi yung boses ng takot o ng hiya. Kundi yung boses ng kaluluwa mo na nagsasabing, "Hey, ready na ako. Kaya ko to." And once you find your voice, you start to see yourself clearly. And you're ready for the next step. The next step is start a journal. Isulat mo lahat ng paniniwala mo tungkol sa sarili mo. Be super honest. In this journal, keep it a secret. Sa'yo lang yan. You don't have to talk about it with your friends. You don't have to talk about it with your parents. And in this journal, write it down. Ano ba yung mga sinasabi mo sa sarili mo pag nagkakamali ka? Ano yung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo pag di mo nakuha yung gusto mo? Ano yung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo pag naiko-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba? Be mindful of your thoughts and write it down. Write it all down. Every judgment, every excuse, every thought na tipong baka mapahiya ako. Then basahin mo. Basahin mo sa sarili mo. Not with shame, but with compassion. Kasi ngayon, nakikita mo na yung program. Nakikita mo na yung beliefs, your subconscious mind, your programming, how you doubt yourself, your biases, how you view yourself. Nakikita mo na yung program. And the moment you become aware of your beliefs, you gain the power to rewrite them. And that's how the reprogramming starts, with mindfulness and with awareness. From this moment on, hindi mo na kailangan maging perfect. You just need to be present. You just need to be mindful of your thoughts.